Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find a formula for the inverse of the function f of x is equal to e to the 2x minus 1. So given our original function, to find the inverse, wherever we see f of x, we replace it with x. And wherever we see x, we replace it with the inverse of f. And now, we have an equation where we can solve for the inverse. So we have e to the 2f inverse of x minus 1 is equal to x. Therefore, we can use the logarithm and say log base e of x is equal to the exponent, 2f inverse of x minus 1. Log base e is the natural log of x is equal to 2 times the inverse function. And if we add 1 to both sides, that goes over there. And we can divide by 2 to get the inverse function all on its own. We can see that it equals 1 plus the natural logarithm of x over 2.